Hi guys, my name is Zara, welcome to my channel to Infinity and Beyond. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a floral initial. So I've done a Z as obviously my name is Zara. Zara. And I also put a light on it. At the back I stuck it on, it's just powered by batteries. I think it's really cool, so it's a super simple DIY. Perfect for room decor or even as a gift. So let's get on with the video. So for this DIY you're going to need like a wooden letter. So I'm using my initial, which is Z, as my name is Zara. I think just like that, yep. And I'm going to be using these like foam roses. So I got these from Hobbycraft, which is a big craft shop in the UK. I also have these big pink ones. I bought these from Hobbycraft ages ago and I used them for something and then I pulled them off. So yeah, they've just been like sat in a drawer. And I've also got pink small ones and white small ones. I'm not really sure how I'm going to lay them out yet, but it's good to have options. So first of all, you're going to want to paint it. So I'm going to be using Arteza acrylics. I'm actually going to paint this black, as I think it will look really cool, like contrast with the rose colours that I have. You can paint it whichever colour you like. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this all black now. So here is how my letter Z is looking now. It looks so dark in the camera, but you can kind of see like the sides if I tilt it. So while that's drying, I'm going to take my flowers and I'm actually going to cut off these stems as I don't need them. I'm going to be putting glue on the bottom and then I'll be placing them and sticking them down using my glue gun. So I'm just going to go ahead and start removing the heads. So I've cut a bunch of heads off of the like wire that it was on, and before I go ahead and just start gluing, I'm going to place the flowers in so I kind of know how I want it to look before I glue it all down. So now that I'm kind of happy with the placement, I'm going to go ahead and glue them all into place using my glue gun. So here is the flowers in the initial. It's quite striking. Lastly, I'm going to make a hole in the bottom. So in the bottom of the frame. And I'm going to use these string lights or fairy lights, whatever you want to call them. So they're battery operated and then you can turn them on. And I'm going to put a hole in using a little hand drill that I have. You can use anything, you can use a power drill if you want. And then I can feed this through the hole and then I'm going to stick the battery pack on the back so you won't be able to see it. So I think I'm going to put the hole probably through here actually. Yeah, I'm going to put the hole through here and then this can sit on the back like so, and then I can feed it through. Maybe I should have done this before I stuck the flowers on. Never mind. So yeah, I'm going to use my hand drill, make a hole now. Doesn't need to be too big, as the string lights are quite thin. It just needs to be big enough so that like the bulb can pass through. So here are my holes, or hole should I say. I actually did 2 holes with my largest drill bit, as just the one hole on its own wasn't big enough to put the like lights through. So once you've done your hole, you can just feed this through. So once you've fed it all through, you can stick the battery pack down. I'm going to use super glue for this. You can use some double-sided tape if you want, or something similar if you don't have super glue. Now I'm just going to work this around the flowers, and this one is like a wire one, so it will stay in the place that you put it. So now that I've done all the wires, I'm just going to turn it on. I have turned off my studio lights so that this will show up better. That looks really nice. It's really pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, I think my wire is a bit, has a loose connection somewhere, but that looks so nice. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed watching that DIY. If you did, please leave a like. And if you want to see more from myself, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!